right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's been a minute since I've made a video, so I thought I'd do a little accessories video here for the DJI Air 3S. I've got one accessories video, but I found a couple new things that I like, so I thought I'd show those to you. Don't forget about the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. There'll be more in this video about that here in just a few moments. But again, thanks for watching, and we'll get into it. All right, first off, we have the FPVtosky neck lanyard for the RC2 remote. I think these are pretty handy. You don't want to be dropping your remote, and this is just a extra line of defense against that. And if you film a lot of time lapses like me, while it's sitting up there filming for 20 minutes, you can just let this thing hang from your neck instead of sitting there holding it, and you can do other things. This does come with the little mounting screws for it, and the RC2 already has threaded holes for that, so you just screw those things right in and clip it on there and you're good to go. And like I said, just an extra line of security against dropping that remote. Right, just wanted to take a second to remind you guys about the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to be giving away this here Firehouse Technologies Arc 5 Pro. Hands down best strobe light on the market. Just velcros right onto your Air 3S. So if you're interested in winning one of those, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down there. Leave subscribed or something like that, ask questions. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Back to the video. Next up, we have the Arzoric sun hood kit for the RC2. This is a little extra level of protection, and that cover also acts as a sunscreen. This one also comes with the lanyard and the mounting hardware. I use this when I know it's going to be a really sunny day and I'm not going to be able to sit in the shade or anything. So, you know, some more safety and security, and with the addition of a sunshade. So this case right here is by FPVtosky. This is what I use, and I'm a huge fan of this case. You can leave your sticks on your controllers. You know, holds 7 batteries plus one of the drone. I've got it maxed out as far as batteries go. Holds all your accessories over there on the right, and this thing's rugged. I've taken it on airplanes, boats, and rough seas. I've dropped it, thrown it in the back of the car, things like that, and nothing's ever got damaged. So I definitely recommend a hard case for this drone. The bag it comes with is nice, I guess, but it just doesn't really work for my purposes. So I didn't really like the gimbal protector that the DJI Air 3S came with, so I was looking to try something different. This is BRDRC, and this thing slides on and off really easily, clips on to the bottom of the drone, and it doesn't put any tension on the gimbal like the factory one does. So highly recommend this. I got this thing and fell in love with it. So this piece here, as you can see in the picture, it mounts on the back of the RC2. It comes with the little screws, and the RC2 already has the holes for the screws, so you're not modifying your controller at all. But what that allows you to do is mount your controller, say, to your handlebars or to a tripod. It's got a 1/4 inch 20 screw attachment there, and also a single point. If you wanted to use a single point lanyard, it would work with that. And what you would use that for is, say, active tracking yourself on a bicycle or something like that, or again, mounting it to a tripod. I usually use it to mount it to a tripod, but super handy piece of kit there. And if you're wondering how you would mount it to your handlebars, this next item will explain that. So here we have the SmallRig crab claw clamp, I think they call it. This is a great piece of kit. I use it a lot with my action cameras. That clamp will clamp onto just about anything. That thing's made all out of metal. I've taken it on some pretty wild adventures and it never failed. But if you're trying to mount your remote with that last piece that I showed you to your handlebars, you just clamp that onto your handlebars, and it's got a 1/4 20 screw in it, and put it on there, and it's super secure. I would definitely trust it. So if there's anything I can't stand, it's scratched screens on any of my devices. Everything I have that has a screen has a glass screen protector on it. It drives me nuts. I particularly like this one because it comes with the little installation guide there. You just put that down over your controller after you clean the screen, and you just pull out the film, and it perfectly aligns it for you. Highly recommend getting a screen protector. It doesn't affect the response of the touchscreen or anything like that, but you won't get your screen scratched up. So what we have here is the DJI Mic 3. I use this with my action cameras, my phone, iPad, things like that. A lot of people don't know that you can actually plug that receiver into the RC2 controller, and if you do screen recordings, you'll have your audio right on the screen recording. So pretty handy little piece of kit, and for the price of it and what you get, it's super handy for all sorts of different video projects. So this is the Firehouse Technologies Arc 5 Pro strobe light. Hands down, best strobe light on the market today. It also is FAA certified for the 3 statute miles of visibility that's required here in the US to fly at night. I do a lot of night flights, and this thing has been very much awesome. This is also the same strobe light that I'm giving away in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you'd like to pick one of these up for free, be sure to like and subscribe, and maybe you'll be the lucky winner. Highly recommend this. Here we have the Freewell polarizing filter for the Air 3S. If you get one of these, make sure you get it for the Air 3S, not the Air 3. They're different gimbals. But I use this thing a lot. I fly over water a lot, fly over snow a lot, and it really cuts down on the glare, and it really does enhance the color. I do believe that. I've done some comparisons. Good piece of kit here. And here we have a full set of Freewell ND filters. Get 4 non-polarized and 4 polarized in different darknesses. If you've got the Fly More combo, you got some from DJI, and those are really good. These are also split for the different cameras, the top and bottom cameras. That way, if you switch between cameras, you'll still have the same ND capability. If you need ND filters, you can't go wrong with Freewell. So what we've got here is a HDMI capture card. What you would use this for is if you want to link your RC2 to your iPad to have a secondary display or just a bigger display. It monitors, in real time. There's really not any latency. The next item goes with it. It's a USB-C to HDMI cable. I use these UGreen ones because they work. I've tried different things, yada, yada, yada. Those 2 cables really work. There's links in the description to those cables. There's also going to be a link in the description to the video that I made explaining how to hook these up. You've got to do it in a specific order. Be sure to watch the video. And then you're going to use an app called the Orion app on your iPad. So I'll put a link in the description to that video. But if you're interested in hooking up your iPad to your RC2, this is definitely the way to go. All right, guys, so there you have it. Those are the accessories that I'm going to be using with my Air 3S going into 2026. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you got any questions, feel free to get in the comments there, and I'll answer all the questions that I can. Don't forget about the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.